Does this sound familiar? It's 3 am, and once again, you are walking half asleep to the bathroom. Not the first time tonight, right? You are tired, frustrated, and while you are stumbling in the dark, your partner sleeps peacefully beside you. You start wondering, why me? Is this just what happens when we get older? It does not have to be this way. You can stop those late night bathroom trips and finally sleep through the night again. Let me explain now. Today I am going to share one powerful method, a simple hydration strategy that can help you stop waking up multiple times a night to pee. Stay with me because this one trick could change your nights and your life. The hidden problem, Nocturia. Did you know that up to 70% of adults over 60 wake up at least once a night to urinate? This condition is called nocturia, and while it's common, it's not normal. It's not just aging, it's your body's way to warning you that something's off, and the effects way more serious than just behind tired. Why it's dangerous? Number 1, falls and injuries. In the dark, your balance is weak. One wrong step can lead to a dangerous fall or even a broken bone. Number 2, brain fog and memory issues. Deep sleep helps your brain clean itself and recharge. If you are waking up multiple times a night, your brain does not get that rest, causing brain fog, poor focus, and even long term memory loss. Number 3, heart stress. Every time you wake up suddenly, your blood pressure spikes. Over time, that repeated stress can affect your heart health. Number 4, emotional drain. Poor sleeps makes you irritable, anxious, and tired all the time. You lose energy, joy, and motivation. So if you are tired of feeling tired, it's time to fix it. Why it happens? The science made simple. As we age, our body makes less of a hormone called ADH, the one that tells your kidneys to slow down at night. Without enough ADH, your kidneys keep producing urine even while you are asleep. Also, blood from your legs move back into your bloodstream when you lie down, filling your bladder again. That's why you wake up a few hours after feeling sleep. Common myths that make it worse. Myth 1. I shall drink less water during the day. Wrong. When you drink too little, your urine becomes concentrated and irritate your bladder, making you go more often, not less. Myth 2. My bladder is just small. Not really. The issue is not your bladder. It's your kidneys working overtime at night. Myth 3. A drink helps me sleep. Nope. Alcohol and caffeine make you pee more and lower the important ADH hormone. So your nightcap is actually your sleep destroyer. The solution, the smart hydration strategy, ASIM method. Remember this word, ASIM. It stands for adjust, soften, stop, integrate, manage. Step 1A. Adjust your hydration. Drink most of your water before PM. Aim for about 70% of your daily intake before the time. Start your day with 2 glasses of water. Then sip throughout the morning. Give your kidneys all day to process that liquid, not your night. Step 2S. Soften the transition. After 4 pm, slowly reduce your water intake. During dinner, drink only a few sips, not a full glass. This helps your body wind down naturally. Step 3S. Stop in time. No liquids 2 hours before bed. If you sleep at 10 pm, your last sip should be at 8 pm. This gives your kidneys enough time to filter everything before you lie down. Dry mouth. Just rinse or take a tiny sip, but no full of drinks. Step 4I. Integrate electrolytes. In your morning water, add a pinch of sea salt. and a splash of lemon. This helps your body absorb water better and keeps you hydrated all day. Step 5M. Manage your dinner. Avoid foods that irritate your bladder, like spicy foods, sugar, caffeine, or alcohol. Skip high water foods at night, like soup, watermelon, or cucumber. Eat protein and cooked veggies instead. Now, bonus tips, supporting techniques. Double winding before bed. Sit down, pee once, wait 3 seconds, and try again. That extra bit can be the difference between sleeping all night or waking up at 3 a.m. Legs elevation. 1 hour before bed, prop your legs up on pillows. This drains blood from your legs early, so it does not wake you later. Salt control. Use a pinch in the morning, but reduce it overall. Too much salt makes your body hold on to water, leading to more urination at time. Final message. You deserve peaceful, uninterrupted sleep. Follow the ASIM method. Adjust your water. Respect you, no liquid zone, and use the double wide trick. If this video helped you, hit the like button so more people can deserve this life-changing tip. Subscribe for more health hacks that actually work, and tell me in the comments how many times do you wake up at night. Thanks for watching.